What's going on, everybody? Mark here, and today I'm going to show you how to improve your voiceover audio in a matter of seconds. Now we're basically going to use a free software that takes a waveform, our audio narration, and spits out a mix and mastered version. And if you don't know what that means, it doesn't matter. Basically, it's just going to sound much better. And, there are small problems with it because it's not perfect. Obviously, it is a free kind of just automatic mix and master, just spits out a file. But for the most part, your stuff is going to sound a lot nicer for very fast, very cheap, obviously. And it'll probably make your mic sound that much better. I would say 99% of the time, it's going to sound much nicer doing this. So we're going to use the program called Levelator. Now, let me see if I can find this on Google really quick for you guys, because I didn't prepare. We're going to pull up this right here. You can go on to, I'm sure there's multiple websites that carry this, but you're just going to download from right here. Very simple. I know it's maybe a little sketchy, but it is an open platform for free. So, obviously there is no budget. So there is no budget with the website either that this is listed on, most likely. So do not get scared. There are a lot of free programs that look like that. You will not get a virus. So the Conversations Network, just like I had on the screen, right? So what we need to do is after you finish your narration, so I've already chopped up my narration the way I would want it to sound. Like I got rid of whatever I didn't want there. I cut out what I needed to cut. Obviously, you can see there's a few chops here. So we have our final sequence of audio clips, right? We have the entire, basically the project is done. Think about the project is done, right? So we're going to make our in and out point with I and O. So we can select like this, let's say, we want to select what we're exporting. We're going to export the audio clip by itself. Now to do that, just hit Control M or go to File, Export, Render. But what we're going to do is go to Format, and usually you're probably most likely set to H.264 for video, but we're going to go down to Waveform Audio. So select Waveform Audio. We're going to rename it. I'm just going to actually overwrite the file that I actually need to do right now. I'm actually making a video, so I need to mix this audio. Let me just overwrite it, fine. Export, sure. Alright, so I exported just the audio now. So I have my program open. And all I have to do is go to my file that I just exported. I named it to be mixed, and we're going to drag that right into the program. And as you can see, it is now automatically mixing and mastering the file. It might take a little bit depending on the length of the audio, obviously. But once it's done, it'll automatically generate an output file. So then we can just take this file, right, and put it right into Premiere. Very simple. So now it should match up pretty much exactly to your in and out point. I think usually there might be a small offset at the end, but no, it seems perfect. So all we can do right now is just delete that. I don't care about that. So now we have perfect audio, or, quote unquote perfect audio. So why don't we take a listen to the original audio versus the new audio? Take a listen. What's going on, everybody? This is Mark here, and have you ever wondered while you're editing a video, so you can really hear the difference, right? Everything just sounds more crisp, alive, more leveled out. But for the most part, it sounds much nicer, right? So that is how you, for free, take any audio narration, regardless of the quality of mic you have, and improve it just a little bit and make your production quality sound that much better for your YouTube page or whatever you are putting this on. So thank you guys for watching. You can find me on Instagram at markdarts. That's MARKD_ARTS. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It means a lot. I will keep putting out videos. Just give me some recommendations. I'm kind of just coming up with them as I go. These are just videos based on things I do on the regular basis or things I want to teach or show. So give me some recommendations. Thanks, guys. I'll see you on the next one.